Did you know that 78% of adults report feeling less excitement about Christmas compared to their childhood? This statistic highlights a common experience, but it doesn't have to define your reality. In this video, we'll explore the psychological reasons behind this decline in holiday spirit, and more importantly, the scientifically backed methods to reverse it. Prepare to learn how to recapture the magic of Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, and while everyone around you seems to be buzzing with excitement, you're left feeling nothing. The twinkling lights and the festive music that once filled you with joy now barely register. You want to feel that childlike wonder again, but something's blocking it. What's happening here is a complex set of psychological barriers that have built up over time. These barriers act like invisible walls separating us from the joy and excitement that we desperately want to feel. On one side lies a part of us that longs to recapture the magic of childhood Christmases, the anticipation, the wonder, and the pure happiness. On the other is a cynical voice that feels indifferent or even frustrated by the whole affair. This internal conflict creates a paralysis, leaving us unable to fully engage with the holiday spirit. Several factors contribute to these barriers. Our psychological defense mechanisms, so these are subconscious strategies that our minds use to protect us from painful emotions, they can prevent us from getting too emotionally invested. If you've experienced disappointment or loss during the past holidays, your mind might use rationalization or denial to guard against potential hurt. Additionally, as adults, we tend to overthink everything, including our holiday traditions. We might question the commercialization of Christmas, or worry about family gatherings, or feel guilty about being unable to afford better presents. This constant mental chatter, it can drown out the simple joys that once came so easily. Nostalgia also plays a complicated role in our holiday experience. While it can evoke warm feelings, it can also highlight the contrast between our idealized memories and current realities. The pressure to recreate the perfect childhood Christmases can lead to frustration when things inevitably fall short of our expectations. Understanding these psychological barriers is crucial for overcoming them. By recognizing the defense mechanisms at play here and the thought patterns that lead to cynicism, we can start dismantling these obstacles. In the next sections, we'll explore specific techniques to break through these barriers and reconnect with the joy of Christmas using powerful psychological tools that can help rewire your brain's response to the holiday season. Now that we understand what's blocking our Christmas spirit, let's explore how to break through those barriers using anchoring, a psychological technique that helps us reconnect with joyful childhood Christmas memories. Think about your favourite Christmas memory as a child. It might be the smell of freshly baked cookies, the sound of a particular carol, or the sight of twinkling lights. These sensory experiences can serve as powerful Christmas anchors, linking very specific stimuli to positive emotion states. As children, we effortlessly connected joyful feelings to holiday experiences, but as adults, we often struggle to access those same emotions due to layers of complexity and skepticism built up over time. Anchoring can help bridge this gap by allowing us to create triggers that we can use at will. To identify your personal Christmas anchors, recall your happiest holiday moments. Identify specific sensory details, so sights, sounds, smells, and focus on unique experiences. For instance, you might choose the crackle of wrapping paper or the taste of hot chocolate. These existing personal anchors you can use later on to effectively create an anchor for that Christmas magic feeling. So, first, choose a memory. Select a memory with a strong positive emotion. Then enhance the sensory details. Then mentally revisit it while amplifying all of the sensory details. Focus on the positive feelings and those uplifting emotions. Then set your anchor just before the peak of this emotional experience. And that could be something unique like touching your thumb and ring finger together or pinching your ear. And then make sure you release just before it's about to start fading. Make sure that anchor itself is also something repeatable that you can do and is unique. After setting your anchor, break state by counting backwards in threes from 87 for about 10 seconds, and then repeat this process 4 to 5 times for maximum results. Now let's practice together. Close your eyes and dive into a memory filled with Christmas spirit. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste. Let that memory wash over you and amplify those sensations until they reach their peak. When you feel that rush of joy, activate your anchor and then release it just before the emotion begins to fade. When you're done, open your eyes and test your anchor by activating it in your current environment. Notice how this becomes a literal Christmas magic button that you can press whenever you need it. With this repetition, this trigger becomes stronger and allows you to reconnect with that festive feeling at will. And just remember, anchors may lose their charge over time, so recharge them daily by revisiting this process for 5 minutes or so. Next, we'll explore how to use these newly discovered anchors to transform your physical environment into a space that naturally evokes those wonderful Christmas feelings. So let's craft your Christmas cave. Picture a Christmas scene that evokes your best holiday memories. Creating this atmosphere is simpler than you think. Your environment plays a crucial role in unlocking genuine holiday joy through colours and scents and sounds. Our surroundings significantly influence our emotions during the holiday season through various sensory triggers or anchors that evoke powerful memories associated with Christmas. To create a meaningful atmosphere, use warm lighting reminiscent of candles or fireplaces. Infuse your space with scents like freshly baked cookies or pine needles. And then curate a playlist of meaningful Christmas songs that trigger emotional responses. It's important to prioritize quality over quantity in decorations. Select items with personal significance or a handmade ornament or a childhood snow globe from a memorable trip. All of these things can reinforce positive emotions and create an inviting space. By tailoring your environment to reflect your personal memories, you create a powerful tool for reigniting holiday magic. While creating the perfect environment is important, it's just one part of a larger picture. In our next section, we'll explore how combining this external transformation with internal practices can enhance your Christmas experience through gratitude meditation. This is the gratitude game changer. Gratitude is transformative. It can reshape your holiday experience entirely. While we often associate Christmas joy with childhood memories, we can recapture the wonder through intentional gratitude practices. Research shows that gratitude meditation not only fosters feelings of abundance, which is how we felt as children at Christmas, but also lowers stress and anxiety levels while improving social awareness and relationship building skills over time. Consider these practical gratitude exercises tailored for the season. Keep a holiday gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for related to Christmas. The warmth of a fire or a stranger's kindness while shopping. You could write thank you notes. Express appreciation for loved ones. Not only does that boost your happiness, but it also spreads joy naturally. Create a gratitude jar. Fill it with notes throughout the season. Reading these on Christmas Eve could become a cherished tradition. As you engage in these practices consistently, notice how your perception shifts. The stress of holiday preparations transforms into opportunities for creating special moments with loved ones. Moreover, gratitude meditation has immediate benefits like increasing serotonin and dopamine levels, while developing compassion and emotional intelligence. This will set you up for positive emotions throughout each day during the festive period. So now, to spread the Christmas spirit. The essence of Christmas lies in giving, and there's profound psychological benefit in doing so. Loving kindness meditation cultivates feelings of love and compassion for ourselves and others, a valuable practice during stressful times like these holidays. Research shows that loving kindness meditation leads to changes in brain activity associated with emotional regulation and empathy, while enhancing levels of oxytocin, the trust hormone, which deepens connections to others. To practice loving kindness, simply close your eyes and take deep breaths. Think of someone you care about and silently repeat, "May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be free from suffering." And connect with the intention behind these words. Extend these wishes first towards yourself, then towards acquaintances, and even those who challenge you. As you embrace this practice regularly, small acts of kindness become second nature. Patience flourishes in holiday situations, creating a ripple effect that enhances interactions across all areas of life. This practice not only helps recapture childhood wonder, but also evokes it into something more meaningful. A way to keep alive the spirit of goodwill, synonymous with Christmas time throughout every day beyond December. So, your Christmas magic formula. Let's integrate everything we've explored into an actionable daily practice designed specifically for transforming your holiday experience. First, a morning loving kindness meditation. Start with 15 to 20 minutes each day by sending good wishes to yourself and others. The easiest way to do this is find a guided loving kindness meditation on YouTube or on a meditation app like Waking Up, Calm, or Headspace. In my opinion, Waking Up has the best content, and I can personally recommend the Heartfelt Intentions Meditation by Jay Asara. Then at midday, use your anchor. Check in for 5 minutes by firing off your anchor and perform the visualization to charge your anchor as described earlier on. Then we'll finish with evening gratitude. Before bed, list 5 things you're grateful for related specifically towards the abundance found within this festive season, and connect the genuine thankfulness behind each thing. You can also do a short guided gratitude meditation to further settle your mind before bed. The trick here is consistency. Timing these practices in both morning and evening takes advantage when our brains are most receptive, reinforcing positive emotions over time while forming new neural pathways within an alpha brainwave state for accelerated learning. This holistic approach has potential far beyond temporary mood boosts. It fundamentally shifts how one experiences holidays altogether. So, as we wrap up our exploration into reclaiming Christmas magic through intentional practices, remember that committing to these techniques for just 21 days can lead to significant changes in how you experience not only this season, but the rest of your life. This isn't merely about fleeting moments. It's about developing skills that enhance every aspect surrounding your entire festive experience. If you found this video valuable, then remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update about future content for personal empowerment. Commit yourself today and watch as each moment becomes truly special, not just for others, but also for yourself as well. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.